Good morning everyone from Early Beach. Spent the night here last night in a little hostel, little like shack thing with our bathroom over there. Just catching up on sleep after our overnight bus journey over here, but yeah, we're just getting ready now, all packed up, ready to go. Where are we going?
Whitsundays boat tour.
Yeah, we're going on a 2-night boat, going looking at the Whitsundays, so we're really excited for that. We actually know a couple people on the boat this time.
Yeah, which is good.
So yeah, we'll take you with us, but just getting packed up, we'll show you our situation. It's not the best, not our favourite place we've stayed, but it's giving Australia. Yeah, it's giving wildlife. Like at night time when we had to go out, have a wee, and it was pitch black and our bathroom was outside. Some scary stuff, but yeah, let's go, get on with our day.
So we're in our little pod on the boat. We've not vlogged much today, but all we did was get on the boat, drive to a little spot, got in the went down the slide, got in the sea, like you would have seen in the vlog. Yeah, Em's just washing her face. We're just about to go to bed. We're just about to go to bed. This is our little room.
Only one with like 2 private.
Yeah, we're very lucky actually, because there's only, like Em just said, there's only one. This is one of 2 private rooms. We think. But yeah, we've not vlogged much. There's not been much to vlog, to be honest. We just like settled in, went upstairs to like the deck, had a couple drinks, had some tea, and yeah, just been chilling with the people that we've made friends with. So not much to do today, but tomorrow's going to be an action-packed day. I think we're up at 6:30, something like that. So we'll see you in the morning.
First night on the boat was 50-50 was pretty good actually.
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
We bonded with the other couples for a bit, but then it died down quite early, which is good because it's so nice.
6:30.
Don't know if you can hear the music outside, but that's our wake-up call. That's our wake-up call, so I'm ready for breakfast. My hair's still wet from last night, trying to have a shower. It feels disgusting, but what can you do? Not brought shampoo. Should we just go? We'll see what everyone's up to.
Yeah. We just come back in our room to get changed. It's 7:20.
7:30, I think.
7:30. And we're going snorkeling.
Snorkeling?
Yeah, we're both so tired.
So tired. We slept alright actually,
Yeah,
but just not
a lot better than most people. Hearing from them, like they said it was so warm, like it was horrible.
People were snoring, like getting in and out of bed all night, so we got lucky.
Yeah, we did. The lighting's terrible in here, but it's where it's the only place we can vlog really.
And we need to go get changed to snorkel, and it's already freezing as it is, so I'm not looking forward to it, but it should be cool.
Yeah, we'll show you some.
Cool experience.
Try and hopefully the GoPro picks up all underneath and everything we do.
We've seen loads of like sharks and fish last night, so hopefully there's no sharks, but some fish should be nice. Yeah.
So we're gonna get changed. Take you with us.
Yeah.
just been dropped off at a little beach and we're making our way over to Whitehaven beach now, which is like been voted the most beautiful beach in Australia. Oh my goodness, I'm out of breath already, but we've lost our group already.
Not lost it.
Well, we sat doing our sun cream and they've all gone off, but it's nice to have a minute. It's quite intense being with a big group of people all the time. But yeah, walking over now. About 4 hours here. Seems a bit extreme. And apparently there's not a lot of places to keep in the shade, so we've got our like ultra SPF
Needed.
coated on us.
Literally like 33 degrees.
Yeah. UV index is probably at 11 again, which is lovely. Kurt's just pointed out how quiet it is now that we're not with our group. If we just don't say anything for a second, you can just hear the leaves blowing in the wind.
Lovely.
Lovely. Being on a lovely. But with being on a party, but to be fair, it wasn't that intense. The music was a bit off last night, so we did take ourselves to bed early, but yeah, it's been nice. We might even go in the hot tub later because they've cleaned it out and they've given it a good scrub, but Kurt's not too keen. But we'll show you the beach when we get there. You will have seen that this morning we did a little bit of snorkeling, which was cool. We struggled a little bit. I kept going too deep and water kept going in my snorkel. And Kurt's goggles just didn't fit, so he just kept getting water up his nose, which wasn't fun, but we saw some turtles, which is cool. We didn't get any videos of them because they literally just pop up and go, and by the time we've turned the GoPro on, they've disappeared. But it's so nice to have a minute. It's really, really warm, but we're just chilling, aren't we? How are you enjoying it? Would you rate it so far on our trip?
I give it a 7. The food's naff.
Yeah.
But that's just me being picky, really. It's just like buffet bits.
Yeah. The lunch was
about.
okay. We had like pasta salads, but we did have spaghetti bolognese last night, which was a bit questionable. Like those big lumps of meat.
But the garlic bread was. Whew.
Yeah, the garlic bread was good, but you can't really mess up garlic
bread.
Why are you doing
Garlic bread.
Doing that for every word we say.
Yeah. Garlic.
We've got to see if we can find the rest of our group.
No, let's not.
No.
I don't mind that. I literally like the 2 couples in our group are really nice.
Yeah.
But sometimes when we can get our own time, it's nice to be on our own and just take things in
because we're both
together.
Big like introverts. It's just too much for us sometimes.
Yeah.
Like, we just don't have the social batteries to be talking all the time, and like my brain's just empty. All I can think about is I'm burning.
It is really, really hot.
Yeah.
Which we're grateful for. I'm glad.
We didn't realise that we were getting dropped off at Whitehaven beach either, so we've not worn our favourite outfits.
I've actually not brought shoes. I've come in swim shorts. But that's fine.
Because it's supposed to be that nice, and we're obviously going to take pictures here, but it is what it is. Let's go and see what it's like, okay?
Yeah, can't wait.
Just walking in now with spotted sand. Let's see what it's like. Oh my god.
That's insane.
How blue the water looks. Oh my god. We're gonna walk up to a viewpoint later where you can see like all the swirls in the water. If you Google Whitehaven Beach or Whitsundays on Google, you'll just see pictures of this place and it's insane. Oh my god. Let's go get closer. Smile.
This place doesn't even feel real. It's such, like, it's quite speechless to be honest. It's unreal. The water's literally crystal clear. It's insane. See all the stingrays. all the way, coming for a little paddle. She's all the way over there. So we're just taking in this view. Here's Emma, she's coming now. Yeah, it's so nice here. I think we're going to go all the way up to that viewpoint after. I think Emma mentioned it. We'll be able to see the. What do you see? All the swirls of the swirls of the Whitsundays. It's so nice here. The water's so warm and clear. We love it, don't we, Em?
Left the group again. Just walking up to the viewpoint. I'm excited because the tide's in, so that's supposedly the best time to see it. So obviously we'll show what it's going to look like, but really excited. We've got some really nice pictures and videos out there.
Yeah,
like, it's exactly what it looks like in photos. Sometimes you go places and you're like, oh, it's just not as good, but it's so nice. Now he's the slow coach, look at him hobbling behind. Someone didn't bring any shoes, so I've been kind enough to swap.
Take it in turns.
The stones and leaf go like piercing into our feet.
What are you videoing now?
Our feet?
Look at that. What do you think of that view, Em?
Insane, absolute madness. We've woken up at 5 this morning to come watch the sunrise, and both exhausted. And the sun has pretty much risen, so we're missing out, but the tide is about, surely said an hour. Struggling. We've got our water with us. I'm not too bad, I only had a couple of drinks, but we're at the back of the group again, as per usual. Trying to pace it. The ground's not the best for walking on. I'll show you what we're working in, but I'll try and get some footage if the sunrise is looking nice. See what we can find. See our boat just down there. We've actually had a long walk up. We started at that little pier over and walked all the way up. But it's worth it. We've given up. It was definitely worth the walk, but we've decided to leave the group early so that we can get a head start back and to take it at our own pace. I don't know if I said already, but we're literally running on like 2 hours of sleep, so not great, but making it down slowly. I've already been bitten once, which is lovely. You can just hear so much rustling in the trees, which is really nice, but like big rustles. I think it's just birds flying about, but it's scary. Kurt's actually taking the lead, believe it or not. I think he's just dying to get back to bed. Recording this for future Kurt to see how pretty it really was, because you can't quite appreciate it right now. but it is stunning. Kurt, give us a wave. Give us a wave. No. Managing. Look at the view, it's so pretty. These things are so cool, I don't know what they are, but there's probably flies all around them. So I need to move quickly. So guys, perched up, I don't know if you can see them, the cockatoos. Hey! So cute. Let's see if we can get a better angle around this side. I think cockatoos have become like our favourite bird in Australia. All the Australians hate them, but oh, look at them. There we go. Seems like they're eating the seeds from whatever that is.